I'll never forget the sound. And I can still see that in my head. It's almost like time slowed down. I can see knowing that we're about to be hit. I can hear Metallica's "Nothing Else Matters" is on the radio. I mean, I can hear this at the time. I get in a car accident right here, and this is why I help people who are in car accidents. I'm coming this way down Hazard Ave. I'm in this left-hand turn lane here, looking to make a left at the intersection right there. One of the things that's always driven me crazy about Enfield and about this specific stretch of road, and what happened is traffic is all backed up on this right-hand lane, and there's a gap. I went and I met with the town attorney and the town manager and filled out a report and said, you know, can you really do something? Because nobody should be able to take a left-hand turn across 4 lanes. Worked at Walgreens right down the road, very familiar with this area. Is you can see, I mean, there are no left-hand turn lanes. There should be barriers enacted there. There were a number of accidents right outside this mobile station. And somebody waves a man in the pickup truck, a guy named Willie, I found out later, he forward and says, come on, you can get out, to make here we are 20 some odd years later, 20 plus years later, nothing has changed here. They should have put barriers. You head westbound on Hazard Ave, so he's going to cut across 1, 2, 3, 4 lanes of traffic and go there. So what he did is he accelerated as best he could and T-boned me. I get hit hard enough that I'm wearing sunglasses. The sunglasses end up on this sidewalk after the accident, which, you know, you can see is, I don't know, 20, 30 feet away from where it happens. You know, that night I went home like a lot of people, and I started being in real intense pain. And then I started getting assaulted from Safeco, the other guy's insurance company. And it was just like, you know, calling and demanding things and wanting statements. And finally my mom says, you know, we're not litigious people, but, you know, you're going to college, you're hurt. You know, you're literally just laying on the couch because you're in so much pain. You need to get a lawyer to help deal with this. So it's always bothered me a bit that the town hasn't really ever, I think, taken some basic measures such as barriers up there to really prevent some of these accidents, which happen all over up and down Hazard Ave here. You know, started going to PT. I got a lawyer. I'd actually, sort of in small worldville, I would go to work for that lawyer when I was an associate, when I came out of law school right away. It was my first job as a lawyer, working for the lawyer who helped me in my car accident.